18 mil
Yeah.
to the bottom. On the top, I'm using 11/16, and this one here is a quarter. So the quarter holds the little
Little nut
top,
there.
yeah, on top there. She doesn't seem to have one. Show the new shock.
This is the new one, guys. This is a new shock, and that is the old one. Because the difference.
So the quarter holds a little bar there. So
All right. So it's
while you hold that, because otherwise it'll turn the shock on the spindle, on the shaft.
Yeah.
And the nut you put on there, and you wind it down with a, so one say it's a 11/16 for the top. So I got to get one here now. This one here is off the Forerunner.
How you gonna
put on temporary?
Okay.
So push back on.
Push it down.
Yeah. So this one's these are the Forerunner shocks. So I've got to put that on that little nut up in there. You probably usually take the tire off.
Or maybe you can take the tire off.
No, just this way. I've done it before. So it's just too with it.
Okay.
I can do it this way. It's just a bit of struggle.
Take in the
Top.
Take the top. Is that the yellow one, honey?
Huh? The other one here. There's a Forerunner. It's the Forerunner.
Ah, this is
temporary. There you go. Upper side good.
These guys, when you wanted to change your shocks, this is an F100 truck.
35.
What is this, honey?
1985.
1985 F100. Alright, so this is how when you get the shock change, and you have to get take this thing out, like the yellow one there, and it's taking that thing out and replace it to the new one. No wonder mechanics are expensive, aren't they? Because of the labor.
I don't know, horse busy.
Huh?
Well, horse busy.
Yeah. It'll take a while to get that one out.
Huh?
Is it coming out?
Yeah. There's a wheel off.
Maybe you should take the tire out first.
Yeah, I could have, but I couldn't be buggered. Done this one before. Back it up, pull the wheel off.
Yeah.
Right up the ramps, down the road, up there.
Okay. This is what is this one's yellow one? This was this temporary one that we put in, didn't we? That's
this Forerunner, yeah, this is temporary.
Yeah, this was from the Forerunner.
These was the original ones.
Okay. So this is from the Forerunner shocks that we put in temporary.
Yeah. The original ones.
This one's the original ones.
So he's got nothing.
Yeah.
Don't come back.
It's down. Yeah. If it's down, it doesn't come back.
That's true, yeah. I guess so.
Okay.
Right.
So that one's come out?
Yes, yeah, so run on the bottom, as I said.
Yeah.
You're going to get another for carry. The screwdriver.
No, you're going to go down. That's why the mechanics are very expensive when you put the car into your
screwdriver underneath it.
Yeah. Now we're taking the bottom nut out. Labor is very expensive when it comes to cars. That's why we just lucky enough that Mal knows a little bit about cars. He loves cars. He loves fixing cars. But at the moment we got work. So if we got time, we just do our the replace it thing. That is.
So
Yeah, that was a temporary from the Forerunner shock.
okay. You pass the new one down.
Where was it?
Stuck in the thing there.
Okay. There is the new one.
Right. So suck it there.
Suck the air.
Off it.
Take the.
So you got a washer, the black thing. You got a washer, another rubber. It goes in the hole up top. Alright, you push this up. Yeah. Slide it in there. Slide there. And place the ball. But I gotta push the bush in. There's always a bush in the bottom.
Yeah.
So I gotta
This
go
one? This is the bush?
No.
Oh.
The bush they give me is the wrong one.
Why they give you the wrong one?
Huh?
Why is the wrong?
Yeah, so I gotta push this bush out. I gotta push this bush out that I pushed in. Where is it? In the shocker here. So I gotta push this bush because I got two bushes.
This one here?
Yeah.
That one
I
there?
got Forerunner bush.
Oh,
and I got
okay.
f100 bush. So I'm gonna push this bush out again now.
Okay.
I'm gonna push it into the new shocker because that's the right diameter. The
So you're gonna use the
press.
compress. You're gonna use the compress to get that bush out. So we're gonna go to the shed to press. We're gonna go to the shed and gonna go to the press to press that bush out. So you can put. Okay. There you go. You're gonna compress. Press. It's not a compress. It's a press. Just to get that bush out. This is a said chrome thing. The press. I'm gonna press that bush. Okay.
I have to drop it down too much.
Drop one level. Just a little bit higher. Whoops. Drop one level because it's higher. Drop it down. Cool. Right.
Block it back up a bit now. There's something else on top of that, another block.
Maybe that was a little bit that way before you put in the put your brick down, or that was a bit higher. Okay. You're gonna press that. Make sure it doesn't. Be pressing that bush out. It's not on the thing. Did it come out? Oh, so that's the one you're taking it out. I thought I thought it was the silver one.
That is a silver one. There's two. I pushed that one inside. That's the Ford F2. That's the F100.
Okay.
And that's the Forerunner. So that's the bigger size.
Okay.
See? Pops on the car.
So is that what you wanted?
That's a bit on there. That's the original Ford one.
Ah, so now we're gonna put that bush thing.
Yeah. So I'll give it a client.
Okay.
Sandpaper.
Yeah, clean it up.
Is it over here?
Now it becomes shiny.
Just so it doesn't squeak in front.
Or is it just to get that?
Put it rough and any dirt,
Okay.
oil and shit like that.
Have a look. Ah, okay. It's like it's brand new again. Hey, cool.
A bit of grease up his ass.
Just put a bit of grease.
Side. The bottom.
A bit of grease on the inside. And then put it onto the you go back here again.
Yeah, up this up here. That's where you're going to film it.
Okay. Right. You're gonna push it up.
Back out. I'm going to pull this back out now.
You're gonna pull it out because it's come down, isn't it?
No, well then put the bush out. We just want to film the shocker going in, how they do it. But I've got to pull this out. Because normally got bushes in them.
Oh,
So pull this out. Put my bush in. Put it back in and then tighten it all up. That's it.
Oh, you put it. Oh, you press it down.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. We didn't get bushes on the package, on the pack. That's wrong.
I'll grab a brass hammer.
And I'm just gonna go inside. Cool. It's a new bush.
Back again.
Now we're going back to the car again. This is for our f100 thing. And it's going up there. Okay.
Find my bolt.
Where's your bolt?
No, it's here somewhere.
You sure?
Yeah, it wasn't.
It's not here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on here.
Okay.
I'll stick it in a hole. This one's this here.
Mm-hmm.
The bolt.
You need the hammer?
Huh? Huh?
You need the hammer?
I just got to go around. Goes in.
You twist it a little bit and
Yeah.
it's in. Ha! Voila! It's in.
These ones here, I told you before, didn't I? Yeah. So that one is, what was it again? 11, no, three quarter. And that one is 11. So it's three, so a bit smaller than three quarter. So I'm using a 18 mil for the bottom.
We're gonna do another two more.
No, my back one's brand new.
The back one is good. So we just have to do the front one.
The front, I've got the back in case. I've got spares now. So yeah. These are web code, the back of KYB. Put receipt under there. Oh no, a bit dirty now. They wear white.
It's black. No, it's black. Lucky this one is a black.
Okay, what big gas on the back? These are web goat gas. Yeah. Click.
Done.
Yeah, put this on top and that's it.
What are you gonna? Oh, you're gonna put another one on top.
That's it's easy part.
Okay, yeah. You're gonna get out this way because he's gonna put the nut on top of that one there. This one here. So that's done. That is your shock. Yeah.
That's it. Done. Find it down. You're done.
Oh,
That's it.
that is the new
Shoppers.
shockers observer for the f100. To replace the old one because the other one is when it's bumped, it stays down, doesn't go back up. This one is a new one. Let's see what's okay. So we've already done the other side now.
Yeah, done. Sorry.
So we're only gonna do the front one because the back one's still good.
Back in here.
Yep. All right, guys, that is our exciting moment. That is to replace the shock absorber on F100 truck. All right, thank you guys for watching.